taking off my makeup. I am exhausted, losing it. Okay. All right, it's been a long day. So I'm taking off my makeup. I am so very, very, very tired. First things first, let me use my Mary Kay oil-free eye makeup remover. So I go in this. I forgot to take my jewelry off. Go in with this. I make sure that I pin my hair up. Braid it up. Nice and good. Underneath my silk cap. Underneath my silk cap, and then I put a bonnet on top of that. I'm just so exhausted. It's like 12 o'clock, and I'm like, well, let me film taking off my makeup. Like I said before, I do not do eyelashes, so especially since it's so hot outside, I am barely doing any makeup. Like, I'm just so over that. And then my eyebrows, I will not ever go get them tattooed or anything like that. I have 0 tattoos, and I would never do that. So I need to pluck them, and I need to get them looking better, but it's hot outside. So the next thing I use is my CeraVe makeup remover. It's called Makeup Removing Cleanser Balm, and literally I smashed this in all over my face. Okay. Then I take off my lipstick, and I exfoliate and all that as a part of my nighttime skin routine that I already have listed, and I'll try to attach it to the video, but I exfoliate my lips and stuff like that because they're dry right now. So then I just take a moist cotton tissue and take off the rest of the makeup that I have on my face. And this is just the beginning. This is just getting all the makeup off, and then after I get everything off is when I actually start my nighttime skin routine. I just also go over one more time before I go in there, go and start getting my cleanser and doing my whole nighttime routine. I just use this CeraVe comforting eye makeup remover And I just go over that again. I'm just trying to make sure all my makeup is off before I start going into my nighttime routine. So I just try to make sure everything is off of my face. And then I know people might think that this is overkill, but this is what I do. This is how I do it. See, my lips are so dry. But I use this Mary Kay Micellar water. I can't even pronounce that. And right now it's late. I don't need to know how to pronounce it. But I use this to just go over my face one more good time. And then I go into my nighttime routine where I cleanse my whole face and do my serums and all of that good stuff. And exfoliate my lips. And then I go. So like pretty much everything is off my skin at this point. My lips are so dry. My lips are dry, but I'm gonna exfoliate my lips. I'm gonna cleanse. I'm going to do my serums. I'm gonna do my moisturizer. I'm gonna do my adapalene and all of that good stuff. And then I am going to go to sleep. So thanks for watching. If you want to see more content from me, please don't forget to like this video. Also subscribe, hit the notification button so that you will get a notification when I post another video. Thanks so much for watching.